Ooh. Ooh, okay. I think I just fixed it. Okay. I think I just fixed it. Okay. 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 Yeah. All right, let's go with that. Okay. So what was I doing? Right. Okay. I got very distracted there. Well, for good reason. But I need to get, yeah, buffer stuff. So I got shader data. What was I gonna? Okay. So that's just like that. An array of floats. And that should be just the same. Cool. Shader data. Cool. Yeah, that'll work for now. I could rename that, but I don't need to do that yet. Buffer, and then, all right. So I could probably just do the same thing as here. I probably need something else specific. Let's go here, look for raylib. Raylib. And then search for shader. All right. Oh, okay. So we've got read, load, unload, copy, update. Probably copy. Wait. Oh. Or did I already do that? Oh, this is load shader. SSBO, cool. Shader buffer. Oh yeah, okay, so that's, I'm pointing to that. Okay. Huh. So bind, bind? Probably. Yeah, okay. Because it's binding to. And UID is probably buffer. I think so. All right. So let's try that. Like that. Right. It's a bit goofy, but all right. So then I need ID is probably buffer, and then index is 2, because for some reason I put it to 2. Or yeah, because I just copy pasted code. So all right. Let's just see if that gives a problem. Nope. I don't see anything. Oh, I'm loading. I think I need to unload shader buffer. So not that it's that big of a deal, but let's just do that and see what it says. Oh, my bad. Oh, U32 is correct. I was just going to guess that it was going to tell me it was wrong. But so I have buffer. And that means that I can go and around that. I'm going to just go find it so I can copy paste it and not have to, oh, not that one. Not have to worry about it. Unload shader buffer. That's, yeah, and then I just need buffer. Not that it really matters. But that should work. Okay. Program shader is not mentioning the shader buffer. So I'm just going to assume that it works. And the data in it is the length. Okay. Should be fine. So that should just create a sphere in the middle. Okay, I don't have like a quick way of verifying that there's useful information in this data. So I'm just going to assume that it's fine and spend some time trying to use it. All right, so in world, so instead of sphere, yeah, all right. Actually, that works. Yeah, okay. Return, I'm gonna do that, and I'm going to just get the value from in there. Actually, yeah, that works. That's a pretty quick thing to do, and I'll be able to tell right away if that's useful data. Pretty sure, at least. Okay, so the array is okay relative to the position and everything. All right. I see. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I could just get the value. I'll have to can I think it's like this. Yeah. Pause equals vec3 array. I think that'll work. Then I can just do shader data dot blocks into dot x. Let's just pull this thing. All right. World has no statements. What? Oh. Freaking Odin. There's another thing. Undefined variable shader data. I might be using it wrong. Oh. Okay, I see. Okay. So yeah, they just use it directly. So I guess like that. Before when it was this. Okay. So now everything is black, regardless of where I am. Cool. All right, instead of ray marching, let's see what I do if I get like this into just here. Pause. I want pause. I have a 3. I pause equals IVEC 3. Does that work? And then if I do I pause like that, what happens now? Too much data in type constructor. I see. Yeah, okay. So that's kind of expected. So now instead of doing that, I'm going to do and I'll just do world colors. Right. Oh, right. I was going to do x3, 0, 0, or just like that. I'm going to get in here. I think not here. No, it was like here. Well, that doesn't look useful anyways. I didn't mean to do that, but alright. Okay, so it looks like the data is like zeroed out. Where are you? Here. So I'm setting it to distance. I can get that. Surprised it doesn't ask for shader, but if it was zeroed out, I would expect that to happen in Odin, because Odin zeroes things out. But GeoSL tends to give me random junk. So value the value is the length of it. Maybe I should do like +8. Can I do that? Oh, right. I accidentally closed this out. Just wanted to make sure. Oh, and I started at -5. I forgot about that. Value is not changing. I think that's correct. That I want to do that since I'm considering the center of the chunk 0, 0. The center of the chunk to be the origin. Alright, so I'm doing something wrong along the way. So I'm going to look. Alright. Relive SSBO. Examples maybe? Shaders. I'm getting the sense that there is no such thing. All right, let me look at this thing then. So the geo create buffers named buffer storage. Can I go? Okay, so where? Vendor. Relib. Oh no, that doesn't help, does it? Yeah, because you're just hook. Okay. I'm gonna look up the relib source now. Source code. Cool. Now, where did I find that? You are over here. Right. Yeah. Cheat sheet. Shader. Oh gosh. Okay, so What is this then? Should be somewhere in the code though. RLGO? Let's look at that. Ah, oh, here you are. Okay. It's an RLGO, but oh, there's no C file. Okay. Right, okay. RLGL seems to be like a header only file. Data. Oh. Okay, so I see a geobind buffer. This is all like in preprocessor if statements. Oh no. Yeah, still though. 43. Oh, I see. Okay, so, but it binds it to 0. I wonder if it would be easier just to use OpenGL, but it's probably something else entirely that I'm mistaking. Oh, that's frustrating. Yeah, it rolls. F32 should be fine now. I don't have any example for how to do it in Raylib, and it looks like I'm doing it right from whatever stuff. Should just be like this. It doesn't seem like it. Oh, I could set usage into 0. Um, why is it just assuming SSBO is 0? Oh wait. Alright, here, let me try doing this instead, since nothing else seems to care about that. Let me try this. Same problem. Here, instead of doing boring, sort of doing everything like that, I'm gonna get P and do cool. So -8 to 8. P is resolution stuff. What if I do like this? Do oh, never mind. This is normalizing it. So if I just multiplied it by 8, right? Okay, makes sense. P 8, and I have to go at 3 again. It's from -1 to 1. Yes, okay, cool. 100,0. That should work. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't care about my pause right now, but black means that it's like negative or 0. There's runtime. 16, I believe, yeah. And then, yeah, all that -8. Cool. Okay. It was black just a moment ago. Just because that's cool. White means it's either 1 or above. Okay, that's no good. What happened here? Okay, that's what happened. Must be integral. I see. Oh. Can I just do odds like that? That's what I want to do. Oh. Okay. Right, so this is 56. I'm gonna just assume. Ah, no, that's what it was. That would definitely cause a problem. Okay. I think that's right. In any case, yeah, so it's 0 again. That's why that happened that way. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna compile this now. It's black. Black. You're green. Okay. Um. This one. Um, 0.5. Yeah, so it's 0. All right. So to do cool things like that, I'm going to go pull you out, I think. Actually here. Ooh, actually that's a good point. Oh, Okay. Sorry. What? Oh, I see. Cool, and yep. I'm going over here. I'm moving that because it's being a problem. But that's not exactly what I expected. I want... Oh, I see. I pause. That's... Right. Oh, I can... Spend my time... Okay. So you +1, probably. Yeah. Okay. So that just gives me 4 values. And then I want to go into this stuff. Okay, so P times 8. Plus 8. Divided by 8. There we are. No, that doesn't work. Oh, right, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I want 3. Okay. -8. And then plus 0.5. Or oh, I'm tired. Right. So then instead of this, it's that's not doing anything. So yeah, this has a weird projection. And why am I doing this? Okay, so I'm just trying to invert it. -8 and +8 on the end. Oh. Let me stop confusing myself. And okay. Oh, right, and that's why I did that. Let's check the value. So we're getting zeros across the board. That's what that seems. I'm looking at p times 8. And up here, doing I vec 3 plus 8. All right, vec 3. cool. All right, so this is 0, 8, okay. Right, oh, I see. So that's supposed to be 0. There you go, 0. There's 8. 8 is twice for some reason, and then up there 16. Because it like rounds. What's that do? Right, yeah. Not that it matters much. Where are you? I think I have to do both there. Okay. That's freaky. Well, okay, so at least I get this square, and that's where I know these things are supposed to be shown. Boundary address error. But the different values are supposed to be shown in like that. And cool. I'm scanning through them. And then it's all black. Okay. I mean, so I'm getting negative values over here, positive values over there. It's not giving me junk. So I guess it's just GLSO being good, but still. So that means that I'm not getting the data. Ooh, so much work. Just to be more confident in that. And yeah. So yeah, I'm scanning through the entire thing. And it's all zeros. All of them. So that means they're not setting it. How annoying. Cool. All right. Okay. So I was looking at the source code. Load, unload. Get buffer size. Read, bind. Alright. Bind buffer base. Okay. So this says load, cool. Well, I mean, actually, it might not be too hard to. Just include OpenGL and do the OpenGL stuff. All right. Okay, so I should probably go. Okay, packages, Ender, GL. So just vendor OpenGL then. All right. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I just do GL vendor OpenGL like that. Should be fine. Cool. And then over here, where it just was, I'm gonna look at this thing. Okay. Create buffers. Create buffers, cool. So I can just go. I32. And the buffers are an array of, so that's just the number of them. One, and then I need a pointer to GLUint. And here it's just U32, which should be fine. Okay, so just one at buffer. I'm not replacing that. Replacing this. Cool. So instead of that, cool. And then the tutorial shows insert data. Okay. Named buffer storage. All right. And yeah, okay. So that all looks good. Now I just need to find what it looks like here. So we are looking for a named buffer storage. Cool. And yeah, so it's straight up like that, like that. Cool. Buffer storage, pop in buffer. Size is an int. So that would be oh, I see. Okay. So size of, I believe it's the same thing in Odin. Times like that, I guess. Raw pointer is the data. So I guess that is, yeah, I can just do that. I'm pretty sure that'll work. At shader data, so it's looking the same so far. And then U32 flags. Okay. Dynamic storage bit. Yeah, I think it's just, okay, it's just a constant. Cool. Not even in enum. Storage bit. And yeah, so it's looking pretty much the same as that. Oh, that's cool. Okay. But let's see. Gosh. It doesn't say to do anything else with it. It doesn't say to bind it or anything. Binding to. I need a better tutorial. Oh, I see. It wasn't assuming that it was 0. It was because it gets set to that. It's the same thing that I just did there. So yeah, okay. bind buffer. Oh, I see. It's looking a lot like what I saw in the arraylib code. Yeah. Gen, bind, and jail buffer data. Bind jail buffer data. And then bind buffer 0. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Right. Well, I'm not doing that anymore. But so this is kind of doing most of what I want, it seems. Maybe I can try putting dynamic. Doesn't do anything for me. Why is this being so frustrating? How long have I been streaming for? Like 40 minutes, is it? It's 75. Yeah, over an hour. I've been streaming for over an hour, and I basically haven't gotten anything figured out. I did some fixing up at the beginning, but gosh. Why can't I figure this is what? Clear buffer to 0. If data equals null. So it's a pointer to data, but it's not null. So that shouldn't be the problem. Yeah, I could do this. Zero? Because it's I think. I can do that, and it looks like that just becomes a stream copy. So let me do like that, because that'll be easier. I have data, I have the size. You know, I didn't think it would be. It's static. It should be fine. I have like no clue. There, I have that. That's cool. And then I have that. It's not so cool. I just don't have the data. I mean, I feel like there's something that I should be doing with this to bind it to shader. But I'm not seeing anything that is very enlightening. Oh. Resource? Could I? Okay. I just found something that's a little enlightening. Let's do resource. So helpful. All right. Let's see. So I'm looking for. Not very helpful there either. Get location. Do I have to go over here? This? Find buffer pace, yeah. Looks like you can even do that. That was beginning to look enlightening, but oh. You are also not working. Oh, actually, I should probably wait a little bit. Now that I think about it. I should. It doesn't matter much, anyways. Fix that by going. Right, because 0 is, yeah, got 8 to it. Cool. So that should show the circle at the very least. Why is it saying 80? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so frustrated. There are no tutorials for doing this on Rayload. And I don't know if I'm just doing stuff wrong. Yeah, I simply don't even know what's wrong. So, um, I could do a couple different things. I could just move back to OpenGL. It would be annoying because Raylib's just so convenient. I'm able to skip over just a lot of stuff. I don't have my drive with me. But some of my older stuff I could just copy code mostly. That would probably be the easiest way to do things. Like turn C into Odin stuff. Be pretty straightforward, probably. Again, I genuinely don't even know what's going on, what's wrong, so I guess if I had one of my other programs, I could just run that. I don't see why like it would have something to do with my computer. It's like I don't want to just like put in a bunch of work going a different route and then discover that that way doesn't work either. This should work, just I don't know why it isn't. Again, I probably just don't know what I'm doing. So maybe just moving over to OpenGL. I want to move over to Vulkan, but that's a lot of work. So I was thinking of doing like a Raylib clone for Vulkan at some point, but that's a lot of work. So yeah, it would be better just to move over to OpenGL because I don't want to have to mess with that stuff right now. So frustrating. Yeah, I need my drive. I'm just gonna copy paste stuff, I think. But I'll have to do that later. I haven't even been, well, it's been an hour and a half, and I haven't done anything. I mean, I have fixed some of the weird stuff. But it's not like any of that really matters, anyways. Gosh, it's been an hour and a half just like looking at things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to come back later. Or because I don't have my drive with me to be able to find the old stuff. Yeah. If something wrong with Odin, that would be so goof, but I don't believe so. That wouldn't make any sense. I mean, there is the fact that that's twice. rl.rl. So it's possible that it's in the thing wrong. Totally possible. But again, it's probably more likely that I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna try something real quick. Because I was thinking about how I wasn't even getting messages, which I don't know, I haven't done this with Raylib yet, but it's totally possible. Where is it? Hold on. Vendor, Raylib. Let me look for now. All right. 540. RLGO. Here, all right, okay. So what I'm going to try to do is, see what happens if I do that. And then yes, cool. That's exactly what I was expecting to see. If that works, that's going to be a real goof. Real goof. Actually, 33 points. That was 53. Cool, 91. Oh, right, I understand. Because there was also unload. Nope. Okay, so good to know that's what happens. If there's linker issues. Yeah, so I guess I just don't know what I'm doing then. Because I don't see any other reason why it would be a problem with Odin. It's just straight to Raylib. So clearly I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't done this with Raylib before, but I have done it with OpenGL, so yeah. I guess I'll just go and find old code and copy it over. Yeah, I need to get my drive from home. So I guess I'll come back later. It shouldn't be too hard because it's just I did this for a reason. Only here, like camera doesn't depend on it. Okay, input handler does, so it's just render and input handler. Input handler should be pretty straightforward. I remember that being pretty small. But render handler, I could pretty much just copy paste everything and just change syntax. Yeah. Alright, so I guess I'll just have to come back later. See you later then.